Okay, class. Now we are going to talk about how to georeferencing the decimal degree raster data. Okay, let's click layer georeferencer, and first we can load our data here. This one is good. First, let's click and select our DD data and open there. We can maximize it. So in this operation, we do a lot of scroll, okay? A lot of scroll, a lot of hold scroll and drag it. So let's first, we point the first point here. As I said earlier, that we mark the furthest point when we can reach in this entire image. So we will take this intersection 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then don't forget to click this to add point, and we scroll in and click approximately in the middle of intersection here, and the enter coordinate dialog appear. Just put it this number as X or east here, east 94.3, and the north 4.6, and click OK. We will see the first point is entered, and the second one is here. Let's scroll in and click. Okay, we scroll out here. And let's see the east or E is 101.2 and 4.6, right? Click OK. The second point is entered here, and the third one is here. Let's snap in the middle. Okay, scroll out again, and this is also 101.2, and here 0. Okay, the third is enter. 3 point is enough, but if we want to make it a little bit detailed, we can add as many points as we want, but be careful. 3 is good, but 4 I think is better. So it will confirm the location of the entire of our image to make it sure. So let's enter 94.3 and 0. Good. So if we want to add this intersection also for the entry point, never mind. This one, it's up to you. But it must be an intersection. You cannot click here. You cannot add point here, because it's only we only have the information of the north, of the latitude, but we don't have the longitude here. Okay, you get me? So it is not appropriate for the entry point for georeferencing. It must be a combination of X and Y. So it is here. Okay, next we will transfer setting. So left is as it. This is geodetic or geographic coordinate system. And let's this is on georeference. We will create a new one, which is georeference. Georeference 1. So we can leave it as is, which it's edit with modified edit at the end. It's okay. Save and leave it as is, and it will load in the project when we run the entire process. Okay, and we click OK. All right, and now it's time to run or start georeferencing. Yep, it's here. We can minimize it or close it. So I think I close it, so we don't have to save GCP point. It's okay. All right. I think it's good, but for let's refresh here. Yeah, this is georeference. This one the same as this one. As you can see here, the information pop up and go. But to confirm it, we need to borrow our previous data here. Let's put it this one and drag. Boom. It is the same, yes. It's the same. So it is good. So I think that's all for georeferencing. The ungeoreference raster with decimal degree. We will be back.